आप आजाद हैं, आजाद रहें। आप लोग इस मुल्क पाकिस्तान में अपनी अपनी इबादतगाहों, मस्जिदों या मंदिरों में जाने के लिए। आपका मजहब क्या है, जात क्या है, कौम क्या है, इसका हुकूमत के मामलात से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं।
That the life and the property and the religious belief should be fully protected by the state at any cost. I pray to God that this critical moment He may guide us and enable us to discharge
and support. And I hope that you will please communicate to His Majesty our assurance of goodwill and friendship of the British nation and him as the crown head of the British government.
I thank Your Excellency for your expressions of goodwill and good wishes for the future of Pakistan. It will be our constant effort to work for the welfare and well-being of all the communities in Pakistan. And I hope that everyone will be inspired by the idea of public service, and they will be imbued with the spirit of cooperation, and will show their political and civic virtue which go to make a great nation. I once more thank you and Lady Mountbatten for your kindness and good wishes. Yes, we are parting as friends, and I sincerely hope centuries ago, when our Prophet, not only by word, but by deed, treated the Jews and Christians handsomely after he had conquered them. He showed to them utmost tolerance and regard and respect for their faith and belief. The whole history of Muslims, wherever they rule